Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and replace in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document in Google Docs. Then click Edit from the top menu. And then click on Find and Replace. A small window will appear. In the Find box, type the word or phrase you want to search for. Google Docs will show you how many times that word appears in your document. Now in the Replace with box, enter the new word or phrase you want to use. You can click Replace to change the current result one at a time, or click Replace All to change every matching result throughout the document at once. So before clicking Replace All, double check the word you are replacing. Once you are done, click on Replace All. Then confirm the action by clicking OK. And that's how you can find and replace text in Google Docs. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.